All right. I want to start off by introducing this gentleman on my right. On my right. He's making love to the strings of the guitar, y'all. My very, very good friend. Please give it up for Mr. Joel Kelly. Woo! Joel Kelly, yeah. On the ones and twos all the way here. I don't know if you can see him. My very good friend. The all-star Violator DJ, y'all. Give it up for DJ. You ready? I'm gonna tell you his name. DJ D Double, y'all. All the way to my right-hand side, we got the queen of the band. Very, very sexy. Right? Playing the keys for y'all. Please give it up for Miss Carrie Streeter. On my left-hand side, she's a cool cat wearing the hat. This guy's a man, y'all. And he plays the bass so funky. Please give it up for my good friend, Mr. Uriah Duffy. Last but not least, this gentleman right behind me, making all this noise. He keeps us in rhythm. Please give it up for my very good friend, Mr. Darian Gray. All of us, we want to know every one of you out there. All right? So on the count of three, I need you to tell me your name. 1, 2, 3. It's nice to meet y'all. So this last song we're going to do for you, I'm going to slow it down a bit. How come I don't have a towel, dude? Yo, fellas, where you guys at? Those are the ladies. Okay. What about all the lovely ladies? Where you at? I can never get tired of that sound. Right? Before we get into this next song, I want to ask all the ladies in here now, how many of y'all like go to school, go to work, just keep busy? All right, so I hear some of y'all do that, right? Because the reason why I asked this is because, to me, there is nothing sexier and more of a turn on than a woman who just has her business straight and just straight Miss Independent and just has a good head on her shoulders, you know? I'm a single dude, right? But if there's a certain type of woman I'd love to just kind of tend to, it'd be one like yourself. So, at the end of a long, hard day, I want to pamper you a bit. Do things like, something like, I cook for you, I clean for you. I'll even do the dishes too. Not all the time, every now and then. You know, but after that, I'm gonna make sweet love to you. You can bet that I will take the smooth route to the pretty. Baby, I know you've had a rough what I'm gonna do. Just close your eyes, girl. I'll take it real smooth, oh yeah. Lay your head down on the bedroom floor. Girl, I know you want green, my tongue is ecstasy. I'll make you scream. I'll make you scream. Ooh, yeah. I'll give you what you've been missing. Make you feel you're in heaven. Smooth road to the smooth. I'll give you the smooth road to the pretty. I'm so turned on by your sweet, sweet innocence. Your lips, your neck, your pretty skin. I wanna kiss your body. Shivers as I lose control. Your tongue is mine. Lady, this I know, this I know. Girl, I know you want green, my tongue is ecstasy. I'll make you scream. I'll make you scream. Girl, I'll take the smooth around, and I'll make you feel. Now as I kiss you wonderland, you grab and tightly squeeze my hand, and it's telling me to take the smooth ride. And I'm sure you heard that song. It never rains in summer night, but tonight I'll make it fall until your scream can take over. I got what you need. Just trust in me. You're my one and only queen. I'm going down. I'm going down. Oh yeah. Gonna be the one to seize you. Gonna be the one to please you. Gonna be the one to kiss you. Gonna be the one to lick you. Gonna be the one to suck you. Gonna be the one. Gonna be the one. Gonna be the one. If you feel you're in heaven, girl. That's it for me, y'all. That's it for us, y'all. Please give it up for my band. Hope you guys had a good time tonight. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Be safe, y'all. Once again, my name is Sway.